We're back. It's a beautiful day today. We're actually gonna open these up. There we go. Whew. I think I'm gonna get rid of these beds and get them out of the way. They still need work on them, and there's the work I need to do I can't do in the bus. This is done. This will be done tomorrow. Let me show you something. Pick this bad boy up from Facebook. Brand new. Bang. Put some handles on it. Gonna have to cut it down a little bit. So we'll take like 4.5 inches off at the bottom. That way it's the same height as the windows. It's clutch. This thing's coming together. Also, there we go. Found the mechanic. And just have him look it over, make sure I'm not going to catch on fire in the middle of the night, all that good stuff. Yeah, should be a productive day today. At the very least, getting this bed out, getting this cabinet cut to size, maybe even paint it. Maybe even paint the cabinet. Without further ado, let's get to work. Ow! Ow, I'm stuck. Made some room. Onto the cabinet. Gotta figure out how to do this now. Oh shoot. Oh god, give me a second. Gotta figure out how to cut this bottom part off and see if we can without messing up everything inside. A little elbow grease right here would work best. Okay. This is one solid piece. However, focus on me, damn it. This is one solid piece. But if I drill some holes where I need it to break off and pop that thing, I think it should work. So here we go. Alright. Now let's pop this thing. Right here. Oh. Time to work. Look at that! Worked almost perfect. Not sure it had anything to do with my drill holes, but it worked. Now, dare we try the same thing. Just get a handsaw the old John Henry way. It's working. It's gonna take a while. Wasn't easy. Gotta flip it over and do it again. Fits. Not awful. Topper for it, we'll have it right at the right height for the window. Got this stuff. Hopefully find the holes up there and patch them. Time to head up. Overshot, fell off, hold on. Found it. Alright. Here goes nothing. Tummy's gonna show. Alright. Ow! Oh, there. Let me go this way. Woo! So I'm going to try and find the leaks now. This is suspect. There's way too many spots that could be leaking up there. That little tube ain't gonna cut it out. Have to go Home Depot or something, get something to like roll the whole roof with. So on to the next. We have the natural wood stain. Stain this bad boy up. I'll protect it, make it look a little bit better. First we gotta clean it off. Here we go. There we go. That is the difference with the natural stain versus no stain.